Hello again. Today I've got this Cole F Euro cylinder lock. That's the bitting on the key for it. All works fine. And I'm going to try to pick this open today for Roy Salmons, because he mentioned I haven't got my bra strap out for a while. Now, Roy likes to see me bra strap every now and then, and this one's been left in the cupboard for ages. I've forgot all about it. So Roy mentioned about getting your bra strap out. So here we go. So I'm going to try to pick this Cole F open, which won't be easy because these Cole Fs are normally decent locks to pick at the best of times. So to do it with me bra strap, it's probably going to be a little bit challenging, but we'll give it a go. This wire is just a little bit on the thick side. It's sometimes a bit tight trying to get in and out the keyway, but we'll give it a go. Try to keep in the frame at the same time. Bit of unorthodox holding it in my hand like this, but obviously I'm going to go a bit quiet while I'm trying to do it. Just concentrate a little bit. I'm losing more pins than I'm setting here. Let's come around a bit. I've not got too much feedback at the moment, so we'll keep trying. There, I've got a little bit of movement there. That's the first time I've got any feedback whatsoever. Oh, there we go. We got him. So yeah, not the easiest lock to pick, but the Brummie bra strap did it again. So that one's for you, Roy Salmons. That's the Cole F picked open with the bra strap. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Try it a bit.